Hey guys, it's LBS here again, your tech guide. So today's video, we are going to do a speed test on the spot with the OnePlus 6 versus the Huawei P20 Pro. So as you can see, they are pretty much identical when it comes to size. The 6 is just a tad wider. Height-wise, they are pretty much the same. Thickness-wise, pretty much identical. And weight-wise, they are almost somewhat the same. So let's check out the screen display here. Screen display-wise, the OnePlus 6 is slightly bigger, but not that much. And when it comes to the settings, they are pretty much identical here. I've set the screen display to 50%, and we are connected on the same Wi-Fi. And also the animations have been turned off. So let's check out the specs so you guys could see. So the OnePlus 6 has 8 GB of RAM, whereas the Pro P20 has 6 GB of RAM. When it comes to CPU, we've got the Snapdragon 845 on the OnePlus 6, and we've got the Kirin 970 on the P20 Pro. Battery, we've got 4000 milliamp on the P20, and we've got 3300 milliamp on the OnePlus 6. So enough with the specs. Let's go right at it and do a quick speed test on the spot. So let's check this out. Let me just adjust my camera here, guys. Okay, everything is cleared. And here we go. So let's open up the phone. It looks like the OnePlus 6 won that one. Let's open text Messenger. OnePlus 6, slightly opened it first. Check out the settings. The same. Camera. Okay, so that looked like the P21 on that one. Okay, Play Store. Okay, P21. Let's check out calendar. Let's get a, okay, gallery, I mean. OnePlus 6. And now let's go to Google. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, Google. It looks pretty close, but I saw the P20 opened it slightly quicker. And let's check out okay, let's open this up. Okay, this thing opened a different application. Let's check out another one. Let's open something here. Okay, let's open a different app or a different site. Okay, pretty much similar. Okay, OnePlus 6. Image. Oh, we got no image. Videos. Pretty much identical there. Okay, so now let's download some app and see which one is faster. Real Racing 3. Okay, OnePlus 6 slightly opened quicker there. Alright, let's install. And off they go. Oh wow, look at that. The P20 Pro. Much faster when it comes to downloading apps. Okay, so now let's open them up at the same time. And they are downloading the app. Look at the P20 Pro, guys. Look at that. Look how fast the P20 Pro is downloading this app. Crazy fast. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So like again, guys, we're just doing this on the spot. We're just checking how quickly these devices are running. So as you can see, the P20, when it comes to downloading things, it is a very fast device. The OnePlus 6 is still loading or downloading, I mean. Okay, so we could get out from there. Okay, so we are still waiting for the OnePlus 6. I hope it will pick up anytime soon. I know if you do it this way, the two devices will be fighting for the network connection. So, like again, you know, if you, it's really depends on the device, right? Which one can download it much stronger than the other device. In this case, the P20 is just much more powerful, I guess, or the performance is much better when it comes to downloading it at the same time. But I know that in real world, nobody does download apps at the same time. So as you notice, the OnePlus 6 there, it downloaded pretty quick once the P20 Pro was done. It picked up the pace. But anyways, you know, a test is a test. We do it at the same time in here, and it looks like the P20 was much faster when it comes to downloading apps at the same time. But anyways, let's check out another app. I could hear something running in the background there. Okay, what else can we open? Let's check out YouTube. Do we have YouTube here? Uh-oh, it's not even downloaded YouTube. Oh, we got YouTube here. Okay, here we go. OnePlus 6. Check out some videos. I could still hear the background playing on the OnePlus 6, I think, the real racing game. Okay, let's play some play some video here. Let's check this one out.
My selfie game now is lit. Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. All my pictures look amazing. I glow, eyes grow, day or night. And my friends are super jealous. I love Wish.
Okay, we'll just wait for the advertisement to finish and see which one. Alright, sorry about that, guys. My Galaxy S9 has reached the 10-minute mark.
Alright guys.
But anyways, the OnePlus 6, play the video much quicker. So now let's just do a quick multitasking here. See which one will open. Okay, OnePlus 6. Messages. OnePlus 6 lightly there. 1. Settings. Very close. Okay, let's check out the game. Where's the real racing? Okay, so it looks like the P20 Pro kept the app in the background, whereas the OnePlus 6 kind of reset it or restarted from the beginning here. Or actually, okay, so it did resume from where it lasted when the app was last uploaded. So it's somewhat of a tie there. All right. Okay, let's try to reset and close this and see which one closes all the apps the fastest. Okay, pretty much identical. So let's turn off and on the device. There you go. 2, 1, 0. Hold on. One, two, three. Oh, sorry guys. Okay, screw that one off. Okay, here we go. 2, 1, 0. Okay, pretty much identical there. Okay, now let me turn it off again because I screwed up on the last one. Okay, let me press this. Oh, what happened here? Off, off. And here we go, guys. Okay, so the P20 Pro won on that one. So there you go, guys. That is just on the spot speed test between the OnePlus 6 versus the P20 Pro. When it comes to opening apps, the basic apps and so forth, watching YouTube videos, internet-wise, browsing the internet, I mean, the OnePlus 6 pretty much is slightly faster. When it comes to downloading apps and uploading it, it seems like the P20 Pro is a little bit better on that department. Other than that, guys, it was pretty much a back and forth battle. It was pretty much close. It was like probably like 0.1 or 0.3 seconds that the P20 was behind. But other than that, in real world situation, guys, you won't able to tell the difference between these two devices when it comes to performance. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's just on the spot speed test. No edited, no filtered, whatever. It's just bang, 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 and that's it. So once again, guys, thank you for watching. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. We're free, bound only by frozen